Today we're diving into the amazing world of castor oil. Trust me, by the end of this video, you'll be rushing to grab a bottle of this versatile oil. So let's jump right into what amazing benefits using castor oil on a consistent basis has on the human body. First up, let's talk about skin hydration. Castor oil is a fantastic natural moisturizer. It penetrates deep into the skin, providing long-lasting hydration. It's like giving your skin a big glass of water. If you happen to struggle with dry patches, just dab a little castor oil and watch the magic happen. Now, who doesn't dream of luscious long locks? Castor oil is your best friend here. Regularly massaging your scalp with castor oil can stimulate hair growth and reduce hair loss. It's packed with nutrients that nourish your hair follicles. Castor oil contains ricinoleic acid, a type of fatty acid which may boost circulation in the scalp and subsequently promote healthier and stronger hair. Speaking of hair, let's tackle dandruff. Those pesky white flakes can be so annoying, right? Castor oil's antifungal properties help eliminate dandruff and soothe an itchy scalp. Mix it with a few drops of tea tree oil for an extra kick, and you'll have a dandruff-free scalp in no time. Acne sufferers, listen up. Castor oil can be a game-changer for you. Its anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties help reduce acne breakouts. Apply a thin layer to affected areas before bed and wake up to clearer skin. Just remember to patch test first. Now let's get real for a moment. Castor oil is a powerful laxative that can help relieve constipation. It works by increasing the movement of the intestines, helping things move along. But remember, always consult a healthcare provider before using it internally. Did you know castor oil can boost your immune system? The ricinoleic acid in castor oil increases the production of white blood cells, which are crucial for fighting off infections. Regular castor oil packs on the abdomen can give your immune system a nice boost. Castor oil packs can also be used over joints to reduce the pain from arthritis. Inflammation's a common issue that can cause a lot of discomfort. Castor oil's anti-inflammatory properties make it an effective remedy. Whether it's sore joints or irritated skin, applying castor oil can help reduce inflammation and provide relief. For general anti-inflammatory action, apply castor oil packs to the area of the liver for 30 to 60 minutes a few times per week. Castor oil can also be applied directly to affected areas if experiencing minor skin issues, joint pain, or muscle pain. Castor oil can also help if you accidentally cut yourself while cooking. Castor oil can accelerate wound healing. Its antimicrobial properties prevent infection, while its moisturizing effect keeps the wound area hydrated, promoting faster healing. Castor oil can also help heal bug bites, rashes, and itches. To relieve skin inflammation within a small area on the skin, simply soak a bandage with castor oil and apply it to the affected area. It's also great for treating a fungal infection like ringworm. Castor oil's antifungal properties can come to your rescue. Apply it to the affected area regularly and watch it work its magic in clearing up the infection. Just another reason to keep this oil handy. If you're spending a little too much time in the sun, castor oil can soothe sunburn thanks to its anti-inflammatory and moisturizing properties. The oil contains omega-9 fatty acids and antioxidants, which can help soothe and repair damaged skin. To apply castor oil to sunburnt skin, take a small amount of the oil and gently rub it into the affected areas. Leave the oil on for at least 30 minutes, then repeat several times a day until your skin is healed. Your lymphatic system plays a key role in detoxifying your body. Massaging with castor oil can help stimulate the lymphatic system, promoting better detoxification and overall health. It's like giving your body a detox massage. If you're pregnant or dealing with weight fluctuations, castor oil can help prevent those pesky stretch marks. Regular application keeps your skin elastic and hydrated, reducing the likelihood of stretch marks forming. It's a must-have in your skincare routine. Supporting your liver is crucial for overall health. Castor oil packs placed on the abdomen can enhance liver function and promote detoxification. It's a gentle and effective way to support one of your body's most important organs. Ladies, listen up for castor oil's next benefit. Castor oil can help alleviate menstrual cramps and pain. Applying it to your abdomen and using a warm compress can provide soothing relief. It's a natural way to feel better during that time of the month. A good method is to apply a castor oil pack directly to the skin, cover with a clean, soft cloth, such as flannel, then place a heat source like a hot water bottle or heating pad over the pack and let it sit for 30 to 60 minutes. Do you want long, thick eyelashes without extensions? Castor oil can help. Apply a small amount to your eyelashes before bed and watch them grow thicker and longer over time. It's like a natural lash serum. If you've got stubborn calluses, then castor oil can soften and reduce these as well. Apply it to the affected area regularly, and you'll notice your skin becoming softer and smoother. Perfect for those tough spots on your feet. Dry eyes can be really uncomfortable. Castor oil used in eye drops can help relieve dry eyes by providing long-lasting moisture. Just make sure to use a product specifically designed for this purpose. If you want to keep those fine lines and wrinkles at bay, castor oil is rich in fatty acids that help reduce the appearance of wrinkles. Apply it to your skin regularly and enjoy a more youthful, radiant complexion. Studies have shown that castor oil is an effective antioxidant and anti-inflammatory, both of which help fight free radicals and may slow the aging process. Castor oil also has emollient properties known to help improve your skin's texture and healthy appearance. Scalp conditions like dermatitis can be tough to deal with, but castor oil can help soothe and treat these conditions thanks to its anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties. A healthy scalp means healthier hair. Now let's turn our attention to nails. Castor oil can strengthen and hydrate your nails and cuticles. Apply it regularly for healthier, more resilient nails, perfect for those at-home manicures. Do you suffer with sore muscles after a workout? Castor oil's anti-inflammatory properties can help soothe muscle pain. Massage it into your muscles for a relaxing and pain-relieving experience. Last but not least, castor oil can support hormonal balance. By improving lymphatic function and reducing inflammation, it helps your body maintain a healthy hormonal balance. It's a holistic approach to wellness. And there you have it, folks, 23 amazing benefits of using castor oil over a sustained period. From head to toe, inside and out, this natural oil has got you covered. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more awesome content. If you have any tips or experiences with castor oil, drop a comment below. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.